Stay at home. Yeah, if anybody's watching this video in a few years, this is a coronavirus related message. So while you're at home, why don't you do some more learning? We're going to teach you some stuff on a daily basis. Keep subscribed to our videos and you'll see them all. But also, we've released a website, installertoballer.com, which is for Joomla. Basically, you're going to learn how to, you already know how to install Joomla, and it's going to take you to being an expert in a number of hours rather than days or weeks. So please sign up to the early bird email list on that one if you like Joomla. But to the point in hand, we have the box decoration break style. It's a new CSS thing, really, so not everybody will know it. I've been around for 10 years and I suddenly learned about it and I think, oh, I didn't know about that. But sometimes they introduce these new rules and I miss them. So thought I'd talk about that today. So I've got a little code pen here. I'll put it in the description, and you can see that there's a few things here. So this is a H2, and it's just got it's a block level element. It's got some padding, and it's respecting it. Now this is a H3, but I've made it in line, and you can see if I inspect the element, you should see that it's actually got padding on it, but it's only at the beginning and the end. So when it breaks a line, unfortunately, that doesn't carry the padding. So it looks a bit weird because it doesn't line up. And if you look on this is another inline element, but in this case, I've added some breaks into the mix, and again, it doesn't respect it. So that's a real problem. And this is something you would commonly see in sort of a magazine or something like that type of graphic design. So if I whack a box decoration break there and put its clone, you can see straight away here, this element, if I now drag this back up so we have a look at it, and you can see it's added padding to every single line, so now they line up and it looks much neater, to be honest with you. So if I look at this one at the bottom now, and I'll as an H2, so what I'll do, in fact, what I'll do is I'll just add it to the inline one so they all have it, and you can see straight away it's lined up, and if we inspect it, you can see that it's got nice padding on each part, and it doesn't matter that there's a break in it, it still respects the padding. So it is really quite a nice effect that you can use to do magazine style background colors and stuff like that. You could use this for block quotes or many different things really, but it's a nice style to be able to use. And finally, we could do it with a pure CSS solution without having to use JavaScript or anything like that. Because previously we had to do work around a JavaScript, and nothing was really as simple as it should have been for such a simple looking technique. But now we can. So all you need to do is box hyphen decoration hyphen break, and your options are clone or slice. So I'll change it to slice so you see what that is. But so there you go. So slice is basically the original sort of value, and clone is the new value, which allows you to add padding to the other lines. So I think that's really cool. I think that's a really useful technique, and it stops that horrendous bit where it starts butting up against the side. So hope you like using it. I've found it great. If you enjoy it, please do comment. If you'd like to see something else, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Oh, I'm pointing at something, nothing's there. There you go. Follow us, subscribe. That way, that way, that way. Bye.